Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in today's session we are diving deep into an essential topic in probability, solving problems using both addition and multiplicative laws. Probability plays a crucial role in data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Whether you are working in machine learning, statistical analysis, or even game theory, this probability lesson for you. So let's get started. So the addition law of probability states that union of two events that would be equal to PA, PB where two events are A and B minus the common between these two events. Now the multiplicative laws of probability for independent events states that means events are independent. So P A intersection B would be equal to PA PB. Now these laws are often used together to solve complex probability problems. So let us see example. A husband and wife appear in interview for two vacancies for the same post. The probability of the husband's selection is 2 upon 5 and the probability of wife's selection is 1 upon 5. So find the probability that both are selected, at least one is selected. So let us see the solution. So let A husband is selected, A is event that husband is selected and B is the event that wife is selected. So probability that both are selected, that would be equal to PA into PB because selection of husband and wife are independent and that would be equal to 2 upon 25. Probability that at least one is selected. So P A union B, at least one. So here just plug the values. P A intersection B, that would be 2 upon 25 and here 10 upon 25 and 5 upon 25. So at least one is selected, that would be equal to 13 upon 25. Now the answer would be probability that both are selected, that would be 2 upon 5 and probability that at least one is selected. So 13 upon 25. Now let us see another example. A person X speaks the truth in 80 and another person speaks the truth in 90%. You can then find the probability that they contradict each other when stating the same fact. So let us tx events that X speaks the truth and fx X lies, and the same way ty Y speaks the truth and fy when Y lies. Now the events where they contradict each other are here. X speaks the truth and Y lies. So tx intersection fy. X lies and Y speaks the truth. So fx and intersection ty. Now calculate the probabilities. So ptx 0.8, pfx 0.2, pty 0.9 and pfy 0.1. And now we will require this one, so that would be 0.08, very small. And this one p fx dx, so pfx into ty, that would be equal to 0.18. Now total probability of contradictions, so this probability plus this one, that would be 0.26. So answer would be 0.26. So hope you understood some problems based on addition and multiplication. Thanks for watching the video, and for more resources you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. For videos and playlist you can visit YouTube channel. For a post and videos you can visit Facebook page, and you can also connect to LinkedIn page. So again, thanks for watching the video.